I don't whisper, I ignite the flame. Every step I take, you feel my name. I'm the rhythm running through your veins, breaking limits, tearing off the chains. No illusion, this is real and raw. I'm the fire you can't ignore. Every move, every breath I take makes your world begin to shake. Look in my eyes, don't turn away. I'm the storm you can't escape. Feel the power rising free. No more hiding, feel me. Feel me in your heartbeat now. Louder than the thunder sound. I'm the energy you can't deny. Feel me reaching through the sky. Feel me like a burning light, taking over every vibe. No control when I'm this close. Feel me the most. I don't follow, I create the wave. I'm the fearless you can never tame. Every second I redefine what it means to cross the line. No more shadows, I own the dark. Every glance leaves a mark. I'm the voice inside your mind. Once you hear me, you won't rewind. I'm not a dream, you fade away. I'm the truth you're forced to face. Every pulse, every spark, I'm the light inside your